going on, YouTube? It's your boy Gage from JB Resale King, 50 Shades of Gage on eBay. It's a rainy Saturday morning, 73 degrees outside right now, but it's been sprinkling on and off again. But Dad and I are about to hit the sale, see if there's anything out there. At 9 o'clock, there's a community sale that's indoors. We're going to probably head out to that after we go some of our route, and then we'll take the backside over there. It's about 30 minutes away. If you could, give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Share to any of your friends that might enjoy cool content like this. And if you want to hit the bell icon to be notified of all my future videos. Alright, we really appreciate it, YouTube. We'll see you in a bit.
Like that Dooney and Burke is, I do 15 on it.
Real?
Oh yeah. All my purses are real. Yeah. You're Julie's son, aren't you?
No.
Oh, you're not?
Greg's my dad.
Oh, I'm sorry. You look like you could be his friend. Okay. Sorry.
Hopefully he's a good looking guy.
He is, but he has a braid on his beard, so I was thinking maybe you cut it. I mean, you look like that. He's tall, skinny. Yeah, same. Okay.
Oh Lord. My son
so,
wears them all over the place.
Did I say 15? Oh, 18 for that. Okay.
Gage.
That's fine.
Do you need a bag?
Oh no, this is
She wants 5. I don't know if it's what you're looking
I'll
for.
give you 2 back.
I'll let her pay you first and then I'll do it. Or you pay her
Bunch of what? Oh, well, make your look. Are you buying your purses for your girlfriends or you listing? Oh, so you're gonna flip them? Yeah. No, you got it. Yeah.
There's an Easton.
Hey, I have something for you guys.
All right.
I'll show it to you.
Okay.
I set it aside, and I almost brought a camera. Almost. I came very close. They were just asking too much, so I was like, no. These 2 pieces right there when you're... I don't know if you're interested in it, but I'm not, my plan is not to put it in a garage sale. But, I've got that and this piece. And this piece, actually it's a really nice piece. I don't know. The other side is.
I'm gonna let my boy look at it anyway.
Well, I'll let him look at it
Yeah.
and then just.
Yeah, that's his decision.
How much is the bat?
I do 3.
She's got a couple pieces of camera stuff over there she wants you to look at.
But he's done everything,
That's true.
and I don't want to do it. I did it with that car. I'm not doing it again.
I used to make these.
Pretty cool, right? Yes.
Oh, well, somebody gets it before.
I don't know.
They're noise canceling.
How much you asking for them?
Pardon me?
How much are you asking for them?
Just $2.
Alright, I'll get those.
There's nothing wrong with it. You got to add batteries to them if you actually want them to cancel noise.
Right.
But otherwise, they sound pretty good with a stereo.
Alright. Is this your hat? Is this yours?
Thank you.
Yep. For $1? All right, I'll take one.
Thank you.
Yep, thank you. I get this one. All right, this one's missing it.
It's yours.
All right, thank you.
Right on, I'll give you my phone.
I'm gonna grab this one too.
Say again?
I'm gonna get this one too. So.
Sure, oh, yours. That goes with it.
All right.
Gives me a lot more room.
Yeah.
Need a bag?
Oh, sure, that'd be good.
Oh, that's yours.
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, you're all right. Does this work?
Yes.
All right, I'll get that too. Is this a camera right here?
Yes, there is.
Thank you very much.
Where's the other one? Other one, yeah, this is like the bigger one for coffee. That's 15.
There's the fire department.
15.
Dollar.
Yeah, just a couple, that's good. And now I can always take out more. Somebody wants to look.
$1 on the DVDs, 50 cents on the VHS.
Rockwell cups.
How are we doing,
Good, how are you?
Very good. Okay, that's enough rain, please.
Definitely.
Yeah, it's a projector or something.
We think that plays some sort of slides that go inside that little
Yeah, it
slide.
looks like it. Some
But
type of.
we don't have no slides.
Yeah,
Somebody came here earlier and figured it out and put it together for us like that.
right.
Brooklyn. Gauge.
Yeah, I just seen
There you
that.
go, Star Wars.
Yeah,
They're doing
Yeah.
Battery.
where the buckle works.
Probably. Probably. And
I think the buckle's broke.
it's time for mugs
Is it?
tomorrow. Why don't we put that in it?
That might
Basket.
Guitar Hero. That's a pretty furniture. Did you get caught in the rain?
Well, it rained before I got out here this morning, so I kind of the lawn stuff didn't bother, you know.
Yeah.
So
It rained over on the other side of town, then it stopped, and then it started again.
This one's comfy, Dad.
Yeah, I don't know.
you can have that.
Really? Awesome. Thank you.
What about
That's
these?
been around for ages.
What about your earrings here? What do you want for these?
For a per set, $1.
Oh, my daughter loves this stuff, so I'll buy those.
Yeah, those were one of my favorites. It's
My
nice.
daughter-
I've got a bunch of others.
My daughter won't wear gold. She just loves silver and
Loves
turquoise.
silver. Yeah,
Okay,
got good taste. Thank you.
I think she got it from her old hippie father. Is where she got
Not too bad.
it. Born and raised in Michigan, but he spent the rest of his life here.
So he's got the same.
Yes, he does.
Interesting stuff goes
Yep.
on there.
Yep.
How much for the bike with the flat tire out there?
Oh, that is $1,000.
Oh my
Alright.
gosh, yeah.
Yeah, that's a $3,000-something bike.
Yeah.
It's a professional bike. He actually set it out to fill the tire up,
Yeah.
and then he's had several people wanting to know how much he wanted for it.
Yep.
Well,
Good morning.
1,000, and that's it.
Gate was shut. I wasn't sure.
Oh, what?
Shut! Is that
It just
Hey, Gus. Big old handsome man. What you doing, buddy? You purring for me? You're a big old handsome man. Yes, you are. You wanna give me kisses? Wanna give me kisses? This is Gus. He's our third baby. As you see, they clipped his ear because he was feral too before we took him in. But now he's a good boy. He's a little spooked more easily than the other cats, but he's a good boy. He's a good boy. All right, Gus. Say goodbye.
What's going on, YouTube? Dad and I are back from the sales, and there was quite a few. I mean, I was kind of surprised because it's still raining. We had passed a few this morning where the people had their stuff still set out and it was getting rained on. So we kind of just went past them. We didn't really understand why they would do that. But we found a few and got some stuff. And then we went to this huge community sale that was like 33 minutes away. And it was insane. There was probably like 500 people in there. You'll see in the video. But yeah, we did all right. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a shot of what we picked up. But if you could, smash, slap, touch, tap, tickle that like button for me. Comment down below. Hit subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Share to any of your friends that enjoy cool content like this. And if you are subscribed, welcome to King's Court. I really appreciate all the support I've been getting so far. And let's keep up the positivity. Haters can kick rocks. Keep all my cool people here. And we'll see you in a bit. Alright, at the yard sales that we hit in the morning, I got this Dooney & Burke purse for 15 bucks. I like that design. It's nice. The stitching is really nice on it. Got that for 15. I would have liked to pay 10 on it. And I got this. This is a crossbody purse. It's got a owl on it right there. It's by Sack Roots. It's still got the tags on it. So I thought that was cute. I paid 10 for it. I would have liked to pay 5 for it, but I didn't really feel like haggling too much today. This is a LED shower meteor rain light. I don't know if it goes on your shower curtain or what, but just sounded cool, and it was only $3, so I'll check it out. I might use it for decoration in my room. I had another lady, I think she was in the army or something. I picked up this bat for $3, and she's a really nice lady. Now she's started to look at yard sales for stuff that we like. She's like sourcing cameras, stuff like that. Also at the yard sale I bought the purses at, picked up this intelligent weighing technology scale, and it's really heavy. I found out that like scientific and industrial scales can be worth a heck of a lot of money. A while back I started with 15 bucks. I went to a yard sale, I bought a KitchenAid mixer for $10. I sold that the next day on Marketplace for $120. And then I had $120 in my pocket. I went to like a church yard sale, and I picked up a scale like this. It's in my bedroom, but it's taller. It's for paint mixing, to weigh your paints out. And they sell even used for like $500-600. You know, but it's taller. It's got the little readout up here. So I'm always kind of looking out for these. I got to comp this one and see. This one may not be that much money, but still they could be the scientific and industrial scales. Any like industrial equipment could be worth a lot of money. Then at the big community yard sale inside, I got this Hallmark itty bitty Star Wars set. It was $5. I thought that was cute, and it was in the pack, so I picked it up. And the good thing about Star Wars stuff is even if it doesn't sell, Dad will put it in his room, or I'll put it in my room. This is a Sony Walkman brand MP3 player with the charger. It works, and it was only $3, so I figured what the heck. Summit racing hat for $1. Got the American flag and the Summit logo on the back. They had a lot of other hats at that place, but for the sports team hats, they wanted $10 a piece. So I only got that one for $1. Dad picked up this Wii Guitar Hero guitar for $1. That was cheap. I'll have to test it and see. I picked up these Bridgestone E6 golf ball packs. They were $2 each. And I got to comp these too, but some of these golf balls could be expensive as well. This is a Pentax digital camera. They say can't find chargers, so it was $2. But I think I might have a charger that fits them, and it's in good condition. Comes with the CD, with the software and the instruction manual. Even if it wasn't working, like digital cameras, a lot of times they can just be sold for parts or not working. You don't get a whole bunch of money, but you can still sell them. Epson printer 702XL. I paid $10 for it. Like I said, I didn't even feel like negotiating today. But you might have seen in my other videos where I picked up, it was ink set, but the black was missing. It only had the 3 other colors. I paid $3 for it, I believe, and I sold it for $33, so I should make my money back on this one. This here is a Fujifilm film camera. Smart Shot Deluxe. I need to put the batteries in and test it. It doesn't feel like very heavy or super good quality, but I'll comp it and see. It's worth taking a shot for $1. This is a little wireless keyboard. It's got the dongle right in here, and it's rechargeable. It's got a little trackpad, so I could use this like on my computer. If I'm using the drawing tablet, I can just have this sitting next to it so I can do my shortcuts. Or like when I'm video editing, I could just have my shortcuts right here, because my laptop is kind of further away on the desk. So I thought that was cool for $1. These are Philips noise canceling headphones. They were only $2. The guy says you put batteries in to use the noise canceling. But hey, for $2, it's always good to have some earphones, even if I don't sell them. And then this is the Canon PowerShot A1400 HD. It's 16 megapixels. That was really cool looking, and it's getting closer to like the type of cameras I'm looking for. I want a compact digital like this, but I want the ones where you could interchange the lenses, like the Pentax Q7 or the what is it? Something M200, or the Sony, I think, Alpha series. Like, it's getting closer though. With this one, it's nice, compact, feels good in the hand, and this one takes AA battery, so I don't have to worry about finding a charger or anything like that. And that's what we picked up today. Really appreciate having you guys come along with me on this journey, and if you could do the YouTube things for me, it really helps out the algorithm. I appreciate everything you do, and I'm glad I'm able to bring this content to you, get out of my skin, get out of my shell enough to actually open up. So like I said, appreciate all the support, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.